Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we focus on helping parents support children with learning difficulties through tips, strategies, and real talk. If you find our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon. It really helps the YouTube algorithm reach more parents who may need guidance on supporting their children with learning difficulties. Thanks for being here. Now, let's dive into today's video. How Notion can help you manage ADHD. If you live with ADHD, staying organized and focused can feel like an uphill battle. But with the right tools, you can manage distractions and support your productivity in a way that works for your brain. In this video, we'll explore how Notion, a flexible productivity app, can help you manage ADHD more effectively. What is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can take notes, create task lists, manage projects, store information, and track habits, all in one place. What makes it especially useful for ADHD is its customizability. You can build systems that match your unique way of thinking. Key features of Notion that support ADHD. First, daily dashboards. Create a personalized dashboard with only what you need to see each day. This could include your top priorities, a simple calendar, habit tracker, or space for jotting down thoughts. Second, task and project management. Notion lets you organize tasks in various views, like lists, boards, or calendars, so you can choose the style that feels most intuitive to you. Third, brain dump pages. ADHD often means racing thoughts. A brain dump page gives you a dedicated space to offload ideas, worries, or to-dos. You can sort through them later. Fourth, visual organization. Use headings, emojis, color coding, and toggles to break up information and reduce overwhelm. Next, linked databases. Keep notes, tasks, and resources connected. For example, link a task to a meeting note or to a relevant article you saved. How it helps ADHD challenges. Time blindness. Use Notion to break your day into clear blocks of time. Add visual indicators or use templates that show your routines. Forgetfulness. Create recurring checklists or routines. For example, a morning routine template you can open and check off each step. Overwhelm. Use toggle sections to collapse information. You only see what you need when you need it. Lack of motivation. Track your wins. You can build a reward system into your dashboard or use progress bars for motivation. Managing ADHD is about finding systems that work with your brain, not against it. Notion offers the flexibility to create exactly what you need, no more, no less. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 6100-2665 or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.